One morning in June agus méadúlas pastor of a Castlelome Colleen Sparoyas on ye. And she was so handsome go hit a may royalas, es dog she a ring tree gartler mocree. And I asked her name no cade on ruga vanaha, es cossins in atu gragal mocree. Sure my heart it'll break if you don't come along with me. Slán agus banach labúra antil. Misha Colleen begog meo canter na ferraga, es toga go canasta me tasa mohil. And I being so airy, oh say she be clacked alone, a which made my own parents and me disagree. A makushla store esta nesta fa tamalom, I tell you a story to tutlo to cree. For I'm a young man who is stoutly in love with you, and surely my heart is from a roguery free. Ere ago, you bold rogue, sure you're wanting to flatter me, espouring or on love nada es eran na grieve. For I've neither wheat nor praties nor anything, na fiún plúd lapan abia teran sinach. Cano mete dut des glass me an nackason, a gun English cotton din a fashion to dare. So powder your hair, love, and come away along with me. Slán agus banach labúra antial. There's an alehouse nearby, bay mid go imaginin', if that would suit you, gragal mocree. Early next morning we'll send for the clergyman, es bay midne can galta eganis dotial. O bay mid egol fadas marifan terigid, then we will take the road home with all speed. For when the reckoning is paid, sure who cares for the landlady? Slán agus banach labúra antial.